Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is me, the Layman Apologist, and I am back with a very exciting video for you guys. I promised that whenever we had 1,000 subs that we would do a very cool giveaway. Now, I've been incredibly busy with a lot of things and I got a little bit sick as well, as most of you know. However, the giveaway is finally here. What we're going to do is we're going to be giving away a premium custom Bible. Not this one. This is my one. This was made by my friend Isaac from Hope Family Bindery. If you've been on the channel, you will have seen the unboxing of this. I still have to do a full review of it, but I'm incredibly behind with filming at the moment, so forgive me on that. I'm partnering up with Ark Bibles. We are going to give a premium Bible away in this competition. Now, there's a couple of rules for the competition, and you do have to follow them all. I'll go through that in a moment. But what I want to do is I want to take you through, and I want to show you some of this brother's work here just while we're doing this. So let me just grab a little... You can't beat some good Irish tea, folks. Get you some Irish tea. I was originally going to try and download some of these, but that proved a little bit impossible. So let me show you some of this brother's work. You can see his work is absolutely stunning. Now, obviously, I'm going to say that anyway. I'm biased. I'm partnering up with him, but I really do think his work is incredibly good. So the interesting thing about this is you're not going to win just any Bible. You are actually going to get to choose all your specs, from the leather to the liner to the art gilding. You can choose your text box, how many ribbons, the color of the ribbons. This will be a completely custom spec Bible to you. If you win, I will pay for it to be shipped to you. I could show you a lot more of this brother's work. Here's someone who's got their Bible. Just look at these, folks. This is true craftsmanship. So if you want a chance to win a custom Bible, here's what you need to do. You need to like this video. You need to already be a sub to the channel. You can still sub plenty of time, but the reason why I'm saying you need to be a sub to the channel is the platform that I'm going to plug the comments into checks for all of this. So you will not be able to skip any of these steps. So you need to like the video. You need to be a sub. You also need to tag Ark Bibles and follow him over on Instagram, X, or Facebook. You can follow them on all three if you want, but as long as you follow one of them, you will be entered into the giveaway. Now, here's the catch. Not everybody is on Instagram, X, or Facebook. So if you're not one of those people, here's what I need you to do. Your step is you need to share this video as a post on YouTube from the account you're commenting on. So you'll be able to do that in the video. You click down in, you click share, and then it should say create a post or copy link. There you have it, folks. There's all your steps. You need to like. You need to subscribe, you need to tag Ark Bibles and follow them. And also, if you do not have those social medias, you need to share this video as a post. I will announce the winner 1 month from today. God bless.